beverage processing lines. From homogenizers, pasteurizers and aseptic tanks to filling machines, ice cream equipment, cheese lines and complete turnkey projects. Our production capacity ranges from 500 liters to 10,000 liters per hour, tailored to your needs. Right now. We warmly invite you to visit our factory in China, either in person or through a virtual tour, to see our advanced manufacturing and quality control in action. Don't miss this opportunity. Contact us today to get your custom solution and take advantage of the limited time offer. We look forward to welcoming you.